Example 2 states that from the first floor of a building, eBay saw a golden camera 8 meters away from the base of the building. If the height of the first floor is 11 meters, that we should find the angle of depression of the camera. So this is also a word problem that can be interpreted using a right angle triangle. So if this is the building and this happens to be the first floor of the building, we are told that the camera is 8 meters away from the building. So if this is the spot of the camera, it therefore means that the distance between the building B and the camera C is said to be 8 meters. The question also says that if the height of the first floor is 11 meters, this is 11 meters, that we should find the angle of depression. So nothing else is given. The angle of depression, this gives you how eBay sees the camera. This is a right angle triangle. So the angle of depression is said to be the angle with which the eye makes with the horizontal plane. So this is angle, let's call it angle theta, while this can be said to be angle alpha. In geometry, angle C is also equal to theta degrees. If we can look for angle C, it is equal to angle theta. So we can then use the trig ratio in getting our angle theta. Now we have a relationship between angle theta, the opposite side, and the adjacent side. And using our trig ratio, we know that the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side is said to be tan theta. So it therefore means that tan theta is equal to 11 divided by 8. In getting our value for theta, we then need to find the tan inverse of 11 over 8. And our answer theta is equal to 53.97 degrees. So this is our value of theta, which is said to be the angle of depression. So this is 53.97 degrees, as well as this 53.97 degrees.